Hey everyone, welcome back to our Autoplay channel. Today, we're diving into how to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs in 2024. Fed up with random tracks on Spotify? Learn how to control your music next. First up, let's turn off the autoplay feature. Here's how to do it on your mobile device. And if you're on desktop, follow these steps. Fix 2. Play Spotify playlists in other media players. Another great way to avoid suggested songs is to record Spotify on your local computer. This allows you to play your Spotify music on any media player and streaming service. The tool we need is Autoplay Spotify Music Converter. With Autoplay, you can download your Spotify playlists to your local device. After downloading, play these songs in any media player without Spotify suggestions. Open the Autoplay Spotify Music Converter. Click to add to import the playlists or albums you want to download from Spotify. Go to Settings and select MP3 as your output format. Click the Convert button to start the conversion. Once the conversion is complete, the output folder will pop up. You can go to find your MP3 files. Your Spotify music is now saved and ready to play on any media player. Follow these 2 fixes to stop Spotify suggested songs. Thanks for watching.